Next, we'd like to show you the new ROG Zephyrus Duo 16, standing as the flagship of our lineup. The Zephyrus Duo series stretches the boundaries of what is possible in a mobile form factor, integrating a second display into a 16-inch laptop. This year, we wanted to make the ScreenPad Plus feel even more seamless, as if it were part of the main display, not separated below it. This isn't easy to do, as you don't want the displays to touch each other as you open the laptop. But our engineers could not be deterred. They went back to the drawing board and designed a new patented 4-directional sliding hinge mechanism. As you open the laptop, the 4K ScreenPad Plus not only lifts upward, but is pulled toward the main display along a set of sliders, eliminating the gap between panels. Its 13-degree angle is perfect for ergonomic and seems to melt into main display as it rises, producing a single, expansive field of view. We were able to achieve this in part thanks to incredibly thin bezels, which eliminate even more wasted space. In addition, they allow us to fit a 16-inch 16x10 display into a chassis typical of a 15-inch laptop. The maxed-out version of this machine features an AMD Ryzen 9 6980HX processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti laptop GPU running at 150 watts with dynamic boost. You also get a mux switch, 4TB of Gen 4 SSD storage with RAID 0, and 64GB of DDR5 RAM at 4800 MHz, ensuring this machine has the raw horsepower to handle any task you throw its way. The AAS Plus 2.0 rising mechanism also provides more room for airflow, keeping the machine cooler for high sustained performance. But the display itself is truly mind-blowing. This year, the Zephyrus Duo comes with a new HDR display with mini LED technology. We call it ROG Nebula HDR. And like our standard Nebula display, it boasts 100% DCI-P3 coverage and a 3-millisecond response time. But this QHD 165Hz panel has an eye-watering peak brightness of 1,100 nits for an out-of-this-world HDR experience. Certified by VESA as Display HDR 1000, this mini LED panel is powered by AUO's MLADE technology with 512 separate dimming zones. The Nebula HDR engine raises the bar with 5,400 Hz polling rates, which is 10 times more than typical displays. The ROG team further refined the local dimming algorithm by painstakingly profiling images and videos to adjust how they appear on the screen. When you watch a movie or play a game on this display, the Nebula HDR engine processes 250 images per second to reduce the halo effect by 26%, for deep blacks and staggering contrast for an image that pops right off the screen. ROG's display leadership does not stop here either. Have you ever wished you could have 4K and 240 Hz on the same device? That's the dream, and we're offering another ROG exclusive display on the Zephyrus Duo that we're calling a dual spec panel. Developed in conjunction with BOE, this display comes with native resolution of 4K with a 120 Hz refresh rate, perfect for truly immersive open world and role-playing games. When frame rates matters above all else, like in competitive first-person shooters, you can choose to switch to a 240 Hz refresh rate at Full HD using a simple switch in our Armor Crate software. Our ROG Pixel acceleration technology will scale the entire Full HD image using 4 physical pixels for every 1 digital pixel for a clean, ultra-fast image. Finally, you can have the best of both worlds on the same machine. Not only is the Zephyrus Duo a treat to game with, but the dual display layout is a dream for those who need color accuracy, HDR capability, and more space for all your work. No matter what you're doing, this machine is the complete package. 2 screens, 0 boundaries. All our 2022 laptops come with Windows 11 out of the box, complete the latest and greatest PC gaming technologies. Direct storage allows for faster load times and more detailed game worlds, while Auto HDR creates more vivid, detailed, and colorful images for a truly captivating experience. In addition, all ROG devices are perfect for Xbox Game Pass, which allows you to play over 100 high-quality games with a single subscription. You'll get iconic Bethesda games alongside genre-defining titles like Forza Horizon 5, plus even more games through EA Play. You can even stream games directly to your machine with Xbox Cloud Gaming. And there's one device in particular that's perfect for this play-anywhere mentality.